you. I hope you all students are well at your home, and please send your assignment beyond time and take out your science book. Today is your science subject. Now open your science book. Now today we will start new chapter 4, matter and its states. Okay, so first of all you will learn about matter and its properties, states of matter, changes in states, and solubility. Okay, all these things have different shapes, colors, sizes, but they have one thing in common. Do you know what it is? Matter. All things around us are different to look at and touch, but they all have one thing common. Let us find out what it is. Look at this picture, class. Look at this book here. Okay, it occupies space in the drawer. Pick it up. Does it feel heavy? Now look at this second picture. The sandwich you eat also occupies space in your stomach. You cannot eat more once your stomach is full. Look at this picture, class. In this picture, okay, this picture is showing one boy is eating sandwich. Okay, so they will he take another sandwich? If he has space in his stomach, so he will eat, otherwise he will not eat. Okay, now this shows that different may have different shapes. Okay, this shows that different things may have different shapes, sizes, or textures and may behave differently, but they all take up space and have weight. Anything that has weight and occupies space is matter. Okay, different shapes, sizes, textures. Okay, and behave differently, different. Okay, take up space and have weight. Anything that has weight and occupies space is matter. Okay, it's called matter. All living and non-living things are made of matter as they occupy space and have weight. Some of the things that we cannot see are also made of matter. ह्यूमन जो लिविंग थिंग्स होते हैं, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स होते हैं, ठीक है, जो उसे भी हम मैटर से जो बने होते हैं, एंड जो हमें दिखाई नहीं देते हैं वो भी मैटर से बने होते हैं. ऑलराइट, नाउ टू फाइंड आउट इट दिस इज अ एक्टिविटी 1. ओके, to find out if air is matter required two balloons are waving balance. Okay, here class, look at this picture. Okay, now procedure: take balloons or fill them with air. Now put them in waving balance and check if it balanced. Put one of the balloons with a pin so that air escapes from it. What do you see? You see that balance tilts to the side which has the balloon filled with air. Alright, what does this show? This show that air. So you will have to write this question yourself. Okay, some activities questions. And to the next point, first of all, did you know the color, shape, size, and the texture of an object are all known as its properties? Alright, now properties of matter. All things are made of matter, and matter has some properties. Okay, all matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. Okay, molecules are very small and cannot be seen with naked eye. Alright, molecules of different things are different and are responsible for how they look and feel. Now third, there are some empty space in between the molecules. This space is known as intermolecular space. Okay, so class, that's enough for this today video. Okay, and I hope you all students will read this chapter. Okay, and read this chapter and understand this chapter. Okay, now in next videos we will discuss 3 states of matter: solids, liquids. All right, okay, thank you.